Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add an email address to your safe sender list in Outlook. This is incredibly useful for making sure important emails from specific contacts never end up in your junk folder, so you'll always see messages from people that matter most. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account. Wait for all your emails to load completely before moving to the next step. This ensures you can see all your recent messages and find the sender you want to whitelist. Once your inbox is fully loaded, navigate to your inbox pane on the left side of the screen. Here's where you'll locate a sample email from the sender you wish to add to your safe sender list. This could be anyone, a colleague, a client, or a newsletter you subscribe to. Once you've found an email from that sender, right-click directly on it. A context menu will pop up with several options. From this context menu, hover your cursor over the option labeled Junk. When you do this, it will reveal a few additional options in a side menu. From this list, click on Never Block Sender. This is the key step that tells Outlook to trust emails from this address and prevent them from being filtered as spam. By clicking Never Block Sender, you've now added that email address to your safe sender list. Outlook will remember this preference and ensure future emails from this sender always land in your inbox rather than your junk folder. But let's confirm this change was applied correctly. Look at the top part of your Outlook window where your main tools and menu options are located. Click on the Home tab. Under the Home tab, navigate to the Delete section, which contains options for managing unwanted emails. Here, click on the Junk drop-down menu. From the options that appear, select Junk Email Options. This will open a new window with detailed settings for how Outlook handles spam and junk mail. In the Junk Email Options window, look for the tab labeled Safe Senders at the top. Click on it and you'll see a complete list of all the email addresses you've added to your safe sender list. This list confirms that the sender you just added is now trusted by Outlook and their emails will always make it to your inbox. You can review this list anytime to see who's on it or remove addresses if needed. And that's it. You've successfully added an email address to your safe sender list in Outlook, ensuring you never miss important messages again. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.